Hello, good day, everyone. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel today, and I'm so excited. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please try and subscribe. Encourage me. You can also click on the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever there's a new video. So thank you for all your comments on my last demo. Last episode, I gave a demonstration about staff onboarding and staff recognition. And I must say, I appreciate the so many likes, the view recommendations, and other things, feedbacks that I got. So today, as a follow up to uh, what this application, the iHR360, does. I'm going to be sharing with us more insight into some other modules such as the employee feedback and also notification. Okay, so let's get um, ready as I take you through this journey. Okay. From the employees engagement analysis, you will have this report. So, this report is connected to the application for us to be able to see what's going on the application. So, currently, we just have only 10 employees that have participated in the survey. Okay, so we're going to be doing an additional entry, and let's see how these two elements are well incorporated together. So let's go back to the application and let's get this running. Okay, so let me just restart the application. So whenever you log into the application, you automatically get this screen splash. Go to get started. Then, of course, we are going to be making use of the employee feedback. So the essence of the employee feedback is to enable company to get to understand what the employees feel about the organization. So this is also going to help in decision making to know areas of improvement. And of course, we know there are so many reasons why we have high attrition rates. So with this module, it's very easy for organizations to even preempt possible reasons why people may want to exit a company and also know areas where they need to improve on. So let's get started. Okay, so you notice something amazing about this application. Let me go back. So you're told that your progress is tracked at the top bar. So we're going to see how our progress is being tracked. So it's supposed to just take a max of 5 minutes. Okay, so what's your role? So you have to pick in this. If you do not select anything, you can't go to the next page. That's why you have it grayed out. So let me select as a team member. Okay, so let's proceed. So you have series of questions being asked, and you also have your progress bar. So this tells you that you've passed a particular stage one step ahead. Okay, so when you fill this, it takes you to another page and also shows on the progress bar. So let's just see, do you have materials and equipment you need to do your job? Okay, so let's just put yes for everything. Okay, but let me just change this so that we can see how it works. When the organization makes changes, do you understand why? Let's say no. And let's go to the next page. Does your job give you flexibility? Let's say yes. So along with goals, maybe we should put no. So what I'm just doing, I'm just randomly selecting answers. Okay. So next, do you recommend this? Now, automatically when you see yes, you can just go next. But the moment you change it to no, you see another request pops up. So this means you can't proceed until you give us the reason why you are not recommending. So let me just use the word personal reason. Okay, so now you see the button is enabled for you to proceed to the next uh, page on the application. Again, if you take a look at our progress bar, you can see this green is increasing in length. Okay, so next, do you see yourself working here in next year? So now you notice something from this application, this particular module, that the user does not have his or her identity being exposed. Okay. And this is because we want to give flexibility and transparency, people being able to open up and express their feeling, as regards the organization. Remember, we said it's an engagement, so it's supposed to be an open engagement where we'll be able to get quality data that can be used, for decision making. So let's just put this no. Let me just say personal. Okay, so submit. So once you submit successfully, you get that notification submitted successfully. Thank you for participating in this employee engagement. Okay, so you can always navigate back home. Okay, you can always navigate back home. Okay, so the next thing I will be showing us is notification. But before I show us how we work with notification, let's quickly go back to our report. So the report is meant to be real time. So as soon as there's an entry, we're supposed to have the reflection. So and note we had only 10 participants, okay, that participated. So let's see if there's an increase. Again, another thing I failed to explain is that employees are only expected to fill in the employee engagement questions just once. So only the admin can do that multiple times. Okay, so once you have logged in, you can't use it again. So it's going to be disabled for you. So that's how it works. Okay, so let's refresh our report and take a look at what has happened. Okay, just give it a little bit of time. So right now you notice the number of participants has increased to 11. Now we also noticed that the number of staff, excuse me, that had planned exits, 6. So this already is a trigger for the organization to get to understand that, okay, based on the feedback, there are certain persons that are planning to exit the company. Okay, so we can also check those people based on their roles. For example, we have about 4 team members who have planned to exit. We even have, amazingly, we have one head of unit planning. Then, of course, this chart here gives us the percentage distribution of the employees that were involved in the employee engagement. Okay, in percentage based on their roles. We could also see potential reasons why some of these employees may want to exit the company. So, at top on our chart here is the personal reasons. Okay, we also have a low employee remuneration. We also see something like no work balance. So, thank you so much. So, let's take a look at the notification part of the app. So basically, the notification is to give you an easy way to broadcast message to everyone in the company without your necessarily going through your email box. Okay, so HR could easily communicate certain information or corporate comms based on the roles that have been assigned to specific users on this application, you can be able to broadcast messages and instantly get those messages delivered to your mailbox. And you can also check those messages that were sent using this application, even on the go on your mobile phone. Okay. So let's check notification. Okay. So all this is connected to the dataverse. Remember, everything we're building is being built on the dataverse. Okay. So you could also search. You could search with any part of the subject or even content. Okay. So let's use the word buga. So buga is a content in one of these messages that was broadcasted. So let's check this. So you can see you have the word Bugatti. So that's why we're able to select it. Okay, so you could also see the time of notification and the subject of notification. Okay, so how do we send notification? So right now, it's only people that have the admin role to send notifications that can do this. So I'll go to the admin side. So in the admin side, I'll click on send notifications. Okay, so I need to put in the subject. Okay, so let me call this Valentine Hangout. Hangout. Okay, so I'm going to be a little bit brief here. Let me just say hello. Okay. So let me just type the word hello, colleagues. We will be having an amazing Valentine Hangouts after office by 6 p.m. on February 14, 2023. Get ready for an amazing moment as we share love in our own way. Okay, so let me just put a hashtag love the let me just add the word buga. I don't know why I love buga. Okay, so let's assume I'll put this bold. Okay, so you can actually bold certain things here. So that's how beautiful. So now I'm going to send this notification. So immediately I send this notification, every staff on in the company's repository gets notified about this in their email box, and everyone can also check using the application whether the web format or you checking it through your mobile phone. So I'm going to send notifications now. Okay, so are you sure you want to send the notification now? So this is just for confirmation. So in case you click that mistakenly, you would get this. So because we intend to send the notification, I'll just click on yes. So it's sending email notification. So as soon as it's done with sending email notification, we'll all get an alert. So remember in the last video, we onboarded a staff with Warieta email. So after this, we're going to check for that person and see if that email also came. So let's quickly just check. Okay, so you can see that email just popped in. Okay, so that is the header, Valentine Hangout. So when you click on it, so this is how it came. Hello gifts. Below is for your information. Okay, we will be having amazing. So all the message, the way you wrote it, automatically gets sent to email box. So let me just quickly show you from the admin side some of the messages that were sent. Just few of them. So you can see. So this one was sent to gifts. You have another one sent to mayor. Okay, same message. Okay, I have another one sent to Elena. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this part of the demonstration of this app. So we still have other aspects of the application that we will want to show. Okay, so I'm going to be showing us Santa, Secret Santa. How does Secret Santa work? How does finance retirement work? How does leave application work? The chat with job bot. Okay, these and more will be sharing with you in other episodes to come. So once again, thank you. My name is Gift Warieta. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. And most importantly, please click on the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever there is a new video. Thank you so much. I'll be waiting to see your comments in the comment section.